Hi, it's Eunice. Welcome back to aerial practice. After following at-home exercises for a month, I wanted to put together a 10-minute exercise suitable for beginners who are not ready for full push-ups yet. This is a bodyweight workout, no equipment needed. We're going to do 10 exercises, 30 seconds each, twice through. My goal with this exercise is to help me to improve my push-up and to climb better in the air. If you are too, let's get ready to follow along. First exercise is to walk your hands to a plank position and back. Put your weight on your arms and shoulders for the walking. Make sure your palms are pressing the ground. Stay in the plank position, wrist under your shoulders. Tap your opposite shoulders for 30 seconds. Try to keep your butt centered and in line with your lower back. Come back up to go to a wall. Place your hands and elbows in front. Lean your weight toward and press against the wall. Keep leaning and pressing the hands, elbows up and down. Come back down for some wrist curls. Straight arms in front of you. Squeeze your forearms as you bend your wrist up and down. Keep squeezing the front and the back of your forearms. Hands and knees down for a tabletop position. Turn your elbows in and lift the palms. Keep everything else in position. This exercise helps working on getting those palms down for push-ups and handstands. Let's go to a side plank. You can increase the height or add other variations to make it more challenging. I'm working on my hyperextended arm, so keeping my side plank low for now. Lay on your back. Relax the legs. We're going to use them as weight. Bring your upper body up, grab the thighs and pull. high and low plank for the next 30 seconds. Try to keep your back and hips straight. 2 exercises left for our first round. Come up to the down dog position for push-up. If you feel your upper body is falling forward, then use your arms to push it back. Focus on getting these forms right, and then increase your repetitions when you come back tomorrow. Last exercise for the first round is knee push-ups. Engage your core and glute to keep your body in one line, using the arms to bring your body low and press the ground away to bring it back up. Don't give up now. If you can do this one time, you can do this for the second time. Keep going to balance both sides. Now all the exercises are clear, let's speed this up and power through. Second round, first exercise is walk to a plank position and back. Next is plank shoulders tap. Remember to keep your butt centered and in line. Third exercise is to come back up for wall push-ups. Lean your weight to your elbows. Come back down for wrist curls. Squeeze the front and back of your forearms. Exercise 5, mini push-up. Hands down to a tabletop. Turn your elbows in and lift the palms. Back to side plank. Do the side that you have not done yet. Lay on your back, relax the legs. Bring your upper body up and grab your thighs and lift. Now high and low plank. Remember to squeeze your core and glute tight. Keep going for the last minute of the day. Next is down dog push-up. "30 seconds to the end. Let's finish strong with some great push-ups. Great job for following through this 10 minutes. I'm still working on keeping my form and position no matter how tired I get. If it was challenging for you, come back and practice and we can improve together. If there's anything else you'd like to see, leave me a comment below. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next video.